80s classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And I mean that literally. It's a 1984 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. Small block Chevy, power underneath the hood, 350 cubic inches. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note AC was in op. Automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome, bright work up front. Still retaining the Caprice hood ornament. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Cream or beige color, brown interior, brown vinyl top. Riding on 20-inch polished wheels. Chevrolet center caps. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car does have a clean Carfax. Spent the majority of its life in Nevada, and that shows. By clean Carfax, I mean no accidents indicated on there. You can see those panels are nice and straight. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches, dents. Split bench seat up front again. Brown interior, cloth fabric. Very stock looking dash. With the exception of aftermarket radio that has been installed kind of one of those retro sound style ones. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run in just a bit. As you can see, filler panels on the rear. You need a little bit of TLC. I believe it's the same way on the driver's rear. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the dual exhaust exiting. Great sounding car. And Jason will drive this one at the end of the video too. Show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride if you will. We're going to peek underneath the hood. And if you want to see the pics underneath the hood and underneath the car, interior trunk, those still pics can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician noted brakes are 75% in the front, 70% in the rear. Also said there are some seeps from the drivetrain, just your typical seeping from a car that's driven. In this car, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. These four-door full-sized GM models have been becoming more and more popular because you know what? They drive out nice. Cruisers. And if you like this style of car, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And as you can see up and down this driver's side, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Just that filler panel on the rear, like I mentioned earlier. Vinyl top also nice condition. Tell you what, let's check out this interior a little closer. Also nice shape, and I did have power windows working over here. You can see really free of any major rips, tears, holes. Headliner is tacked up, which we see very common in this era GM. Rear seats, also nice shape, seat belts intact. It's fired up. Tilt column has had an aftermarket cluster put in. So I can't confirm or deny miles on this one. I can tell you that there's no accidents on the Carfax. It spent a majority of its life in Nevada. Look at that. Here's the clock is even working. As far as the gauges, tach's working. Top of that dash looks good. Like I said, nice sounding car. Listen. Edelbrock 4-barrel on top of that 350 small block Chev, and listen, there's a rumble. Let's slip up to the front, take a quick peek at that engine bay. Then, like I said, very end of this video, Jason's going to take you for a drive, take you for a virtual ride. Give you a good look at the underside of the hood, hood liner, and engine bay. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC was in off, will need a little care, but it appears that the components are all there. Do have headers installed in that 350. Got a newer alternator. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Smooth runner, and it sounds great. 1984 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those snow pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1984 Chevrolet Caprice. This will be a 4-door with an automatic transmission right here on the column. Nice aftermarket steering wheel, wood, with little slight finger indents on the back. And that brushed stainless look. Actually goes well with the interior wood on this car. The plastic, if you will, wood in the dash. From 1984. We've got aftermarket gauges in the dash. The water temperature showing approximately 150 and still rising. The fuel gauge is giving me a quarter of a tank. Now the speedometer is not moving, but the tachometer does work as it should. Oil pressure is approximately 65 psi and the volts are over 14, so that is looking good. The blower motor works. Split bench, soft cloth seat, very comfortable. The only real imperfection in here that I can quickly see is the headliner has pins holding it up, which is, if you remember these cars, very common. That was a thing, but it works. Brakes are nice and smooth. Another car from the era, on the tail end of hood ornaments, 1984. We've got the Caprice hood ornament out on the end of this hood. This car corners nicely. I remember these cars, these were also used for police cars of their day. So they're well built. They're well built machines. There is a digital radio on the dash. It does not power up for me. Very easy to drive. Comfortable 1984 Chevrolet Caprice. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.